what to do next is the focus of this discussion. Let's address 3 messages that reignite the woman's interest. It's crucial to realize that, from the moment a woman shows initial interest in you, sending messages and expressing curiosity to know you better, the first few minutes are essential. Therefore, the tip is to intensify the conversation in this initial period until establishing a deeper connection. Remembered what you said. This phrase is powerful because it creates a looping in her mind, making her want to know exactly what you remembered that she said. By referring to something specific she mentioned, you'll be sparking curiosity about the words she chose. People naturally tend to question what they said and which words they used, making this moment of remembrance even more significant. If it aligns with your context, don't hesitate to send this message. Was passing by, location, and remembered you. This message is effective because it creates an association between her presence in your thoughts and a specific location. It not only shows that you associate positive memories with her but also adds a personal and geographic touch to the message. She'll likely be curious about why you associated her with that particular place, thus reigniting interest. Had a funny/hilarious situation, and automatically thought of you. This message works by creating a connection between something amusing that happened and the memory of her. The association between funny situations and her image in your mind can generate a positive reaction, showing that she can make you think of cheerful and relaxed moments. Remember, the key is to adapt these phrases to your specific context and ensure they flow naturally in the conversation. Yes, you can adapt the message to fit the specific context. If the first time you saw her was online, you can say, "When I saw your profile for the first time, I immediately had an impression." On the other hand, if you saw her in person for the first time, the message can be adjusted to, "When I laid eyes on you in person for the first time, I immediately had an impression." The important thing is to personalize the message to reflect the specific situation in which you had the first contact with her. This approach adds a personal dimension to the message, showing that her impression had an impact from the beginning. The third phrase or message is also powerful. "Wow, I was thinking about something else we could do together. Something reminded me of you." This phrase introduces a new idea and piques her curiosity about what you were thinking. The secret is not to reveal immediately, leaving room for her curiosity to grow. For example, you can continue the message like this: "I watched a movie today and remembered a conversation we had. Later, I went to the store and saw a bottle of wine that made me think of inviting you to share it with me. What do you think?" This creates a compelling narrative and shows that you were thinking about her throughout the day. Remember, the goal is to maintain her curiosity and reignite interest. If you liked the tips, leave a like. Strong hug, and see you soon.